Hi everyone, this is Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about the drawing tools, the basic drawing materials for beginners, which are very cheap and economical. So we are not going to discuss about the expensive drawing materials today. So for a beginner, these materials, whatever you are seeing here, right, this is more than enough to just explain about the usage of all these tools. So that this video will be really useful for you. So let's get into the video. Okay, the first material that we are going to see today is the pencils. There are a lot of expensive pencils available in the market, but for beginners I would strongly recommend to use this Artline 6 grade sketch pencils. This is very cheap. 6 pencils cost only ₹70, and you get HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. So this is a very good sketch pencil, and even artists use this. So let me open this. So you can see all these grades, HB, 2B, 4B and all these are there. And let us just do a sample shading. This is HB pencil. So this is a basic, and 2B will be darker than HB, as you know, and what is the next? 4B would be even darker. 6B, again it will be more darker than 4B. 8B, and then 10B. 10B is an excellent pencil for hard drawings. It is extremely dark. So you can see the darkness of each grade, and this is really a good pencil for shading. So this is Artline sketch pencil. Similarly, you can get Camlin pencils also. You get all these grades, like from HB to B, you'd get until 8B. So this is also very cheap and good pencils. And you have one more brand, Faber-Castell. There are two types of Faber-Castell pencils. One is 9000 pencils, Faber-Castell 9000, which is expensive. This is the basic Faber-Castell graphite pencil. Now, as you can see, you can get it in 6 grades: 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. So I don't have the other grades, it's done, and I have only the last 3 grades now. This is also very cheap, and it costs around only 50 rupees. I think, yeah, 50 rupees. Okay, the next one is the mechanical pencil. You can get a lot of cheap mechanical pencils in the market, but I would prefer Sakura mechanical pencil. This is HB and this is B. It is very good for sketching, and the quality is also really good. It costs around 100 rupees or something. I think each pencil costs around 100 or 120, but it's very reliable pencil. So this is HB, which I have, and this is B, which is a little bit darker than this. So if you prefer mechanical pencils, then you can go for it. Next one is the charcoal pencils. Charcoals are very dark pencils, and mostly this is used for extreme dark areas. So you would get it in 3 grades. This is Camlin. One is soft, other one is hard, and the third one is medium, which I don't have it now. This will cost around 60 rupees, I guess, set of 3 pencils. And soft pencils are very dark. You can see the darkness will be very, very high, and the hard one will be comparatively less dark. Medium will be in between these two. So usually I will go for charcoal pencils, for shading the hair or eyeballs, whatever the areas which requires extreme darkness, I will go for charcoal. So you can use it for hair, it will be really good. Okay, the next material is eraser. You can see there are 4 varieties of erasers here. This is a kneadable eraser, which is very handy for all the pencil artists. It is a multi-purpose eraser. So it looks like this. You can make any shape out of it. You can use this for erasing large areas, and also you can shape it like this and then use it for small areas. So this is not only used as an eraser, but also it helps to observe the dust. If you have some dust on your sheet, you can just press it like this. It absorbs all the dust from your drawing sheet. And this is also used for highlighting. So for example, if you have dark areas over here, you can just make a shape like this and then just touch it. See, you can see this eraser observing the graphite, so it can be used for highlighting as well. So this is the multi-purpose eraser. Next one is the pencil eraser, Kohinoor brand. So you can see eraser like a pencil. So this is very handy, and you can hold it as you hold the pencils and then erase it. This is used for highlighting as well. See, and since you use it as a pencil, use it like a pencil, it can be used for erasing small areas. In portraits, you can use it for erasing or highlighting areas in eyes or lips. So this will be very, very useful when you draw portraits especially. So the next one is a mechanical eraser. Again, it is similar to the mechanical pencil. So this is very, very useful tool. The brand is Tombow Mono Eraser, which is very famous brand for mechanical erasers. And compared to this pencil eraser, this can even erase more dark areas. So this is also very useful for highlighting as well as erasing small areas. And the last one is the normal Apsara dust eraser, non-dust eraser, as you all know about this. Okay, the next one is sharpeners. I use normal Doom sharpeners. This is for small point, and if you want long point, you can go for Apsara long point. So this is normal eraser which you can get in all stationery stores. I use this knife for sharpening the pencils like this. If you sharpen the pencils like this with the help of knife, it will be really good for shading. So yeah, this is the one which I use for sharpening the pencils if I wanted to do shading. The next one is the blending tools. You have cotton buds, paper stumps, tissue paper, and Camlin paintbrush. I have made a separate video about blending tools where you can see the complete details about all the blending tools and their usage. So I'm not going to go through in detail about this, so you can check out that video if you want more details about how blending tools are used. Next one is the white gel. White gel, usually I use it for highlighting any areas, like you can see like this. You can use white gels. So this is Uniball white gel, which costs around 25 or 30 rupees, I guess. And there's one more Sakura gel roll. This is also similar to Uniball, and it can be used for the same purpose. The next tool is the pencil extender. It is very useful tool because with the help of this pencil extender only I am able to use my pencil to this level. You can just put your pencils like this and then start using it. So this is very useful tool, and for especially for the dark pencils. Okay, the next one is the drawing sheets. There are a lot of questions around what kind of drawing sheets will be effective for pencil sketching, shading, especially for blending as well. So drawing sheets are actually measured in GSM. So if you have more GSM sheet, the thickness will be very high. So see, this particular drawing sheet is very thick and it is 200 GSM sheet. So I would say for sketching, pencil sketching, anything from 120 to 160 would be really good, and beyond that would be excellent. So this is ivory sheet for 200 GSM. Each sheets cost around 4 rupees, I guess. So you can get a pack of 25 sheets for 100 rupees. So this is very smooth, and it can be used for all kinds of pencil sketches, and it blends really well. So this is very cheap as well. So I would recommend this ivory sheet for all the beginners. Then you can go for expensive sheet later. There are Strathmore sheets which are very expensive, so but that is not actually required. This will be really good to begin with. Okay, now we had seen all the basic drawing materials and its usage. So these drawing materials are more than enough to begin with. This will give excellent results, so keep practicing it. Only practice, if you do continuous practice, you can attain the perfection. So there's no point in going for expensive drawing materials unless you know how to use them. So I have seen a lot of people buying expensive materials, but they don't know how to utilize them properly. So just go for these materials. These are really good materials as well. If you are a beginner, just try with this and then keep on practicing it. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Please give your feedback in the comment section as well. I'll meet you in yet another useful video like this. Until then, take care. Bye bye.